Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to fix recording screen size in OBS, a common problem for people that are maybe new to the software or don't know what they're doing. So guys, for the purposes of staying clean, as you can see, you have a double camera. I'm just gonna briefly turn off my camera to show you how to resize your basically screen. So guys, as you can see, I am currently recording my entire screen. So as you can see, we have this red outline. So this means that everything is correct. As you can see, I have angles properly aligned, everything's fine. But for some people, it may be displaced. For example, they have it like this, or they have it like small like this. So this is going to be very, very bad. So guys, you have literally two ways of doing this. You can do it manually. So the easiest way to do this is to just, if you're doing it manually, you just go and snap the window, whichever window you're recording, a window or a entire screen. This is my camera place, don't mention it, don't mind it, sorry. So you just go like this, resize, and you drag it onto the very edge like this. And as you can see, it snapped at the end. As you can see, it snaps at the end. So this means that your screen is now properly recorded and you don't have the size, basically the size problems. And the next way, the second way to do this is you go right click, but make sure that you're choosing the proper source, right? Because I have also the camera. As you can see, the camera is right over here. So do it for the source that you need it for. So for example, your gameplay. So you just go right click. After that, you go transform, then you go fit to screen, bam. And now I'm going to show you the example. I'm just going to make it intentionally wrong. Then I go right click, transform, fit to screen, bam, ready. As you can see, it's very, very easy, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. It's very, very easy. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. Enjoy the video. I will see you in the next one. And of course, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.